Welcome to this presentation. In this presentation, I'm going to solve Surds, and I have two questions that I'm going to use in this presentation to be able to discuss this topic and show you on how you are supposed to solve questions like this step by step. Now, the first question that we have reads root 54 plus 3 root 3 over root 3. That is what we have, and you have been told to simplify that particular question. Now, the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to multiply on both sides. We are going to multiply on both sides by side 3 by side 3. We multiply by side 3. So if we do this, we'll be able to get side 3 multiplied by side 54 plus 3 side 3. So that is what we have under the numerator. Then under the denominator, we have side 3 you multiply by side what? Side 3. So that is what we have. Now, under the numerator part, let's deal with the numerator. So if you have side 3 you multiply by 54, remember we can only multiply a side and another side. Okay? Yes, we can multiply a side and another side. That's allowed. That's allowed. But we cannot multiply a side and a rational number. Okay? Yes. Now, under this particular part, we are going to multiply 3 side 3, that is root 3, times root what? Root 54. If you multiply, you'll be able to get side 162 or root 162. Root 162 plus this one is going to be root 3 you multiply by root 3 is the same as root 9. Now the square root of 9 is 3. Now what is 3 times 3? 3 times 3 is 9. We have 9. Under the denominator part, this is side 3 times side 3. It will give us side 9. The square root of 9 is 3. So we have over 3. Now let's go ahead and simplify side 162. Side 162 can be written as side 162 can be written as side can be written as side what? Can be written as side 81 times side 2. Can be written as side 81 times side 2. In other words, if you multiply root 81 times root 2, you'll be able to get root 162. Now, remember this is a perfect square. This is a perfect square, and it has got what? It has got a square root. It has got a square root. Now, if we find the square root of 81, we'll be able to get 9. So we write this as 9 side what? Side 2. 9 side 2. So 162 can be written as 9 side 2 in simple terms. Now that we have 9 side 2, we say it is 9 side 2. It is 9 side 2 plus 9 over what? Over 3. We can go ahead and simplify this further by saying that 3 can 3 goes here how many times? 3 goes to 9 3i's. It also goes to 9 3i's. So this one can be written in simple terms as 9 side 2 over 3 then plus 9 over 3, whereby the final answer is going to be 3 side 2 and then plus what? Plus 3. This is our final answer that is written in that has been written in simple form or in simplified format. So we have simplified that particular question. Now to the second part. Given that sine 75 degrees is equals to root 6 plus root 2 over 4, simplify 1 sine 1 over sine 75. 1 over sine 75. So 1 over sine 75 is the reciprocal of sine 75. So we are going to find the reciprocal of surd 6 plus surd 2 over 4. So let us find the reciprocal. Let us find the reciprocal of surd 6 plus surd 2 divided by 4. So the reciprocal of this is going to be 4 divided by surd 6 plus what? Plus surd 2. Now that we have the reciprocal of sine 75, we go ahead and say that this is now what we are going to use. So we want to multiply on both sides by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of the denominator is going to be surd 6 minus surd 2. And then on the denominator part, we have surd 6, then minus 2. And now let's do multiplication under the numerator part. We are going to have 4 surd 6, then minus 4 surd 2 under the numerator part. Under the denominator part, we have worked out the numerator part. So under the denominator part, this one will give us, this is the difference of two squares. So we are going to say it is surd 6 squared minus surd 2 squared, which is going to give us, this one is the same as saying, this one is the same as saying surd 6 squared minus surd 2 squared, which is going to give us 4, which is going to give us 4. It's going to give us 4 surd 6 minus 4 surd 2, or over what? Surd 6 times surd 6 is 36. The square root of 36 is 6. And the square root of 2, or the square root of 4 is 2. So this one is going to give us 4 surd 6 minus 4 surd 2. We divide everything by what? By 4. So we can simplify this further by saying that 4 goes to 4 once. It also goes to 4 once. So our final result is going to be, surd 6 minus surd 2. This is going to be our final answer for this particular question. So thank you so much for watching until the end. Make sure you share this video to as many of your friends as possible. Also, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, because that is the best support that you can ever give to this platform. Thank you so much. Until we meet again. Bye bye.